When I got what I got, I don't miss what I had. The old me before you belongs to the past. In the back of your mind, you might think there's something more I want. When I got what I got, girl, I don't. No, I don't. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons, and today I'm going to teach you how to play Jason Aldean's new single called Got What I Got. And it's from his album called 9. And I have thought about doing a tutorial on literally every song from this album because it's amazing. It's so good. It's for sure his best album in my opinion. But what do I know? So anyway, real quick, if you like this video, please hit like and subscribe. And also, let's get into it. So standard tuning, Capo on the 4th fret. This song only has 3 chords, okay? So, and they are in almost the exact same order the entire time, all right? So the way that it starts is you're gonna do a G, and it doesn't matter which G you do, okay? You can do this G, it's like more of the standard G with those fingers there and here, or you can do, I think it's G major 7 like that, okay? Either one. So, you can do that, so you're going to do G, and then you're going to do A, and then you're going to do B minor, okay? Now, that is like almost the whole song. So, in fact, that order goes through the whole time, except for there's one little thing you do differently. So I like to remember stuff with words, okay? So, for instance, this is gab, all right? So it's G, A, B minor, okay? So, I'm going to show you the strumming pattern. So for the intro, you just do, and this one, if you're a beginner in guitar, this is like the perfect song because there is no even alternate strumming, okay? It's just, I'm using this, like my fingernail, my pointer finger for most of it. When I just do single strums, I actually use this, my middle fingernail, but so I just do like that, okay? So the intro for this though, you're going to do strumming just down, 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 okay? So it's just G, A, B minor, okay? Then you go and you go really slow in the verses here. So then you just do, you strum G, and you go, she said, baby. So it's, you strum G before you start talking, so it's, or singing. She said, baby, and then on baby, you do A, all right? So it's G. She said, baby, do you ever miss being alone? Okay, so being alone on alone is when you do B minor, okay? We'll do that one more time. She said, baby, do you ever miss being alone? Okay, now you can just let it ring, or you can mute right here. But you don't strum anything for it, okay? So I said, heck no, I don't, okay? I'm trying not to swear, so I'm not going to swear for it. So I said, heck no, I don't. Okay, then you go back into the same thing. Strum G. She said, do you really think I'm where you belong? Okay, so G is before. Remember that every time in the verses. G is before. Then she said, A is do you. So do you really think I'm where you belong? Is B minor, okay? All right, and then you let it ring, and it's, I said, you know, and I know. Okay, then you go to the pre-chorus, and the pre-chorus is just that gab again, all right? So it's just, I said, you know, and I know you're perfect for me. So then you do the same strumming that you did in the verse, or sorry, in the intro, okay? So it's down, 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 okay? So you do, you're perfect for me. That's you start with G on your perfect. You're perfect for me. And then A, everything I'll ever need. I ain't playing. So on playing is when you hit B minor. Playing. Okay, this is the one time where it's different, but there's an easy way to remember what you do here. So on what I'm saying, it's Bama. So if you're, I know this is a lot of country music, and there might be a lot of Alabama Crimson Tide fans. Roll Tide if you are, but so then you do B A B A. It's B minor A, but just to have you remember Bama. So it's you're perfect for me, everything I'll ever need. I ain't playing what I'm saying. Okay, so you do B minor A, B minor A. So single strum. Okay, that's it. So that's the pre-chorus, all right? So it's, you're perfect for me, everything I'll ever need, I ain't playing. Here comes Bama, what I'm saying. Okay, then you go into the chorus. All right, so now you go back to Gab, all right? So you're gonna do, when I got what I got, I don't miss what I had. The old me before you belongs to the past. So B minor is what you're gonna play the most here, all right? So remember G. When I got, that's when you play G, okay? It's on got. So G is got, that's an easy way to remember. When I got what I got, I don't miss. A is miss, all right? You could kind of think of it as like a miss, but anyway. So A is when you do miss. When I got what I got, I don't miss what I had. And then on the old me before you, that's when you do B minor. The old me before you belongs to the past. In the back is G, so you're going back is how you can remember it. In the back of your mind you might think, A is think, there's something more I want. So on want is when you do B minor. Want. When I got what I got, girl, I don't. Okay, so that's when I got what I got. Okay, that's when you're gonna do that Bama again. So you do it in the pre-chorus and the chorus and the post-chorus, all right? But you don't do it in the verses or intro. So when I got what I got, girl, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Okay, that's the post-chorus. So it's just Gab once and then Bama. Okay? Then you go back into the second verse and you do, again, before you start talking, I said, baby, do you know you sound a little crazy? So it's G's before you start talking. And then I said, baby. Baby is when you do A little crazy on B minor. Okay? Then you don't say anything for when you're talking like that, girl. Then you go to G. And then before you, remember, that's before you start talking. In the verses, it's before you talk or sing is when you strum the G. Ain't no second thoughts, no regrets, no kind of maybe. So A, you do A. Sorry, A is on second thoughts. So ain't no second is when you do A. Thoughts, no regrets, no kind of maybe. So maybe is B minor. You can remember B minor is going to help you with maybe. And then you do no wishing I turn back. Okay, and then it's the same as we talked about before. So that's literally the whole song. It's so easy. It's awesome. If you have any questions about it, let me know. But I think it's so fun to play, and it's just so easy. Remember that strumming too is just very simple. Down, 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 down. Anyway, I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions about it, let me know. The way the song ends is just with that. You just do the Gab, A, B minor, and you're just strumming it like this, and you just go Bama, Bama, and that's it. Just ends like that. So let me know if you have any questions, and it's been fun, guys. Have fun playing the song.